Smell that.
This is... I knew you weren't going to let me...
No.
Oh, this is so good. This is an egg curry in front of me and...
It's a duck egg bhuna.
It's duck eggs.
Duck egg. I mean, yeah, hopefully this one's a duck egg.
I hadn't had anything like egg curries until I moved down south. I hadn't... Because, like, takeaway options in Scotland aren't great.
Your mouth's watering.
Is it? Sorry.
It's a good thing.
Am I, like, actually dribbling?
You're not actually drooling, but that's a good sound.
And I love them, but you don't see them on very many menus.
They're not very common. It's like poor man's food, because we all have chickens and ducks in Bangladesh, and it's a great way of having protein without actually eating the duck or the chicken. But it's one of my absolute favourites.
It tastes like it has peanut butter in it.
Yeah, it's the one with the peanut butter in. Yeah,
I've never had a curry with peanut butter before, and I wouldn't have thought to put that in a curry. It's great. Mm-hmm. So, Nadiya, the nation loves you. People up and down the country make your recipes probably every single day. Someone's probably making one right now. But how well do you know your own recipes?
Okay.
I'm going to read you a bit about one of your dishes with the ingredients blanked out, and you have to tell me what the recipe is for.
Okay.
Blank are surprisingly easy to make, and these ones are even easier because instead of the usual intricate shape, I just do knots. Laced with blank, and then topped with blank, they are soft and yummy and super satisfying.
Pretzels.
Yeah.
Pretzels laced with onion, garlic, I think, and then topped with garlic salt, I think it is, or something like that. I can't remember.
Yeah, this is so good. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Oh my God. I love a bit of fusion cooking, and this is fusion at its best. A simple blank minus traditional blank, because I don't always have blank in the fridge at home, and many supermarkets only sell blank. The bonus here is the blank, which gets sprinkled on top at the end.
Not a clue. That's a lot of blanks. That's not fair.
I know.
That was a lot of blanks.
That one went on forever.
Who wrote this?
Halloumi curry with coconut sambal.
Ah,
That sounds amazing as well.
That's delicious, yeah.
A simple curry minus traditional paneer.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's like a coconut herby sambal. And
Yeah. So when people talk about spice, they often talk about heat. Do you go over that in your show? Because people always associate spice with being really...
Totally. That's something like I talk about, and I hopefully, like, I've spoken about it loads on the show. So it's... I think people naturally think when they think spicy, when they think spice, they think spicy, but that's not necessarily the case.
No.
Spice doesn't mean spicy. Spice can, hundreds of thousands of spices that you can use. And my family have whittled it down to 8. Of course, there is chili powder in there because Bangladeshi cooking is naturally really, really spicy. And
is it?
Yeah, like really, I mean, perspiration, sweaty forehead type spicy, but my kids don't flinch. They've become so acclimatized to chili food that but I don't like super spicy food. I like a bit of heat, but not the kind of heat that makes you sweat and makes you swear. Like, I don't need that kind of...
I'm addicted to that.
I think it is. I think there is something about eating spicy food that can be addictive. My kids absolutely love it. They chew on Scotch bonnets like it's... Yeah, they love it. I'm less so, but when I write my cookbooks, I always put a little optional next to the chili powder because it's a personal thing. It's a taste thing. Like, some people really like super spicy, so you adjust it to what you want, and then if you like it less, put in a little bit less. If you don't like it at all, take it out.
So, you're the queen of baking, so we're going to combine your love of baking today with your spice expertise in a very weird game of donut roulette. So, all the donuts have jam in them, but half of them are laced with a very spicy chili pickle.
Okay.
So, we're going to play roulette and see which has chili and which doesn't. I'll go for this one.
Are we going together?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go for this one.
I think Have I?
Oh, gosh, it's cocking.
Ah!
Oh, God.
Ah! Ah! That's horrible!
Oh!
I thought it was going to be... Nadia's been sick in her bowl now.
Give me a bowl. Oh.
No, it's okay.
That is rank. That is not a combination I will be using anytime soon.
I I thought it was going to be like a sweet chili jam.
No, it's
It's like salt, pure salt. Is it not a bit like, because you said you made chicken donuts.
They were delicious, my chicken donuts.
Sorry, that was really insulting.
Yeah, no. So my chicken donuts had like barbecue pulled chicken.
Yeah.
And a delicious donut that was covered in a garlic salt. And then it's got like, there's a nothingness of like a puree of jam and pickle that doesn't do anything in your mouth. That might have worked if that had some chicken or something in it. Minus the jam. Minus the jam. Like, I'm all for weird combinations, but that's like, bleh. I don't know if this game can go on.
Do we keep going?
We can go. Keep going. There's
Just try and... I'm trying to see if it has any... I'll try this one.
Okay, I'll go for this one. That looks like... I'm scared.
No. I could just see from as soon as I bit into it, it's filled with the stuff.
Look at that. That's like...
I think all 6 of them have got the jam in them.
I can't do it.
It's all 6 of them, you bastards!
Oh, come on! But... Sorry, everyone.
I found a normal one.
You found a normal one. Well done.
But all I can taste now is salt and chili.
I think you guys are just trying to give me heartburn and indigestion. I think that's what's happening here. Is that the last one?
You try that one, yeah.
No, you got the good one.
Maybe there's only one good one.
Well,
that's good. Cheers.
We got jam. Okay, that's better. I just can't. My stomach's going to do really weird things.
I'm so sorry.
That's fine.